Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to day 3. No, it's not day 3. This is probably day 5 of the Scotland vlogs. It's a good one. It's going to be good. So today we're going to the Queen Elizabeth Forest to look at red squirrels and potentially deer and things. And then we're also driving back to Stabbage. I don't want to. And I'll work tomorrow. This doesn't feel like a holiday day. Feels like the end of the holiday. We've got about an hour and 45 minutes left in the cabin, then we've got to leave. So we're having a quick coffee. Yeah, so we're having a quick coffee, about to have a bit of breakfast. I think Mum's making porridge, some Scottish oats. Yeah. I want to go out and fly the drone again this morning and try and link it to, we've actually got the camera linked to it. But I don't know if we're going to have time. We might do. I haven't really got anything else to do. Just got back and we've got like 2 hours. And we were thinking of going back in the jacuzzi. I'm thinking about it. You not want to go back in, Steph?
No, I will.
Should we get back in the jacuzzi, Liz? I'll have a bit of breakfast, then I'm up for it. This lovely view this morning, you guys. It's a bit windy though. When it's not, actually, it's not that windy, is it? It's just a bit cold.
You can get the shot of me now.
Oh yeah, we're okay. What shot you want?
The one in the jacuzzi.
Sorry, I
I can't be bothered actually.
You want to just get in? Get in, bubs. It's too hot. I'm going to set this little time lapse up here. And we're going to have some fun in the jacuzzi. And we're going to enjoy the view before it rains on us. It looks really nice with the fog, doesn't it? Look at the fog on the mountains, man. This is very sick. You got it, bubs?
You push?
Yeah, just push it off. No, up, like up.
Push?
You do, you push it up.
No.
I'll help you, hold on. Should we do a quick room tour before we cry and have to leave? It's all dark, all the lights are off, but let's go for it. Okay, here's the bedroom. If you've watched any of our holiday vlogs before, you guys, they're exactly the same, these cabin holidays, the layouts. But here's our bedroom that we've had. We had the double room because my mum and dad both snore and they wake each other up, apparently, so they had to sleep separate. You're sad? You're both sadly? We've had this bathroom, you guys. Nice little ensuite with a little shower in it, it's lovely. And then we move on to the hallway. 2 bedrooms that are basically the same. That was Ben and Lissy's, this one was my mum's. This was their bathroom, which disgraceful, they've left things knocking about in here, like, quite nice. And then there's the living area. Look at that view as well, you guys, that's what we saw. Straight from the bedroom door, you get a view of the loch. There's a seating area, oh sorry, the TV.
It's meant to be going out.
No, I think he's going to fill the jacuzzi with it in a sec, with that hose. Yeah, there's a guy just out here just cleaning the jacuzzi out. For every time new people stay, they empty the whole jacuzzi, clean it out and fill it back up. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, there's a little fire. We didn't get any clips of the fire. We barely had it on. It's been so hot in this cabin. And then it's the kitchen. Because it's got underfloor heating and I swear it's broken because it was absolutely boiling hot. Should we go? I'm going to have a piddle and then let's run. Look at this view. This was our cabin here, just the one dead ahead. Literally the closest one to the rock. Look at that view as well, man. Oh, I'm going to miss this view. I hope we come back here. Look at that. I'm just going to take it in for a sec. I think it's amazing. I've just got to come back to shut the door because Ben's taking the keys back, but I left the door open in case we needed to go back in. 28 Golden Oak, that's where we stay. Bye room. How sad are you? Bye cabin, bye lock, oh bye beautiful view. I'm taking my coat off because it's going to be boiling in this car. It's an hour's drive now to this forest that we're going to, so strap in guys, we're on the road.
this on, Bob?
Good race.
Ty?
Where the treetops glisten
And listen. That's where we stand. Bye.
That's mad, isn't it?
Bye.
We've just been driving and ended up on the other side of the lock. It was in the cabin.
Oh, I don't get it. Are we going the wrong way? Oh, I haven't been. Oh no, it's okay.
Oh, that could have been bad. But did we not been driving that long? We wouldn't have gone too far.
That's so confusing. But why couldn't we just go over?
We have arrived, you guys. It's a nice little view at the minute. So we're at I think we're at the Queen Elizabeth forest. And we're going to look for red squirrels, maybe some deer. This is where Ben and Lizzie came and did guide yesterday. You see some of the lines over by the mountains. It's crazy, it took us an hour to get here, yeah. And we drove in 3 cars, Stacy's car, Ben's car and Mum and Dad's car. We all left at different times, and then just as we were pulling up, like 5 minutes before we got here, we're all just behind each other. It was mad. It was Ben, then my dad, then us on the road. I don't know how that happened at all. that is so weird. Okay, let's go. Look, I'm dying for a pedal, and I also want some dinner. Oh, would they be? Should come back in a few years and see if they're fully grown. I'm gonna jump out on Lizzie and Stacy, and they're in the toilet. I've just been as well. I'm just gonna jump out. Hello. Oh, I didn't scare you.
Young silly. Is Dad sitting there?
Nah, he's gone up. Let's go look for some food, I reckon. Should we go to the calf or something?
No, Grandma said we're going to eat our thing.
Yeah? Let's find out and see what's going on.
The cat, Dad.
What you found, Liz? What you found? Wow. This is pretty interesting, isn't it?
Not.
It's massive. We ain't trekking through all this, are we? I didn't expect to be trekking too much. Literally just want to see a red squirrel, potentially a deer, and then just go home. That's cool. We've still got a 5.5 hour drive to go after this because we drove an hour, but we had to drive half an hour towards home, and then half an hour back north. We had to go like round the big lock. So we're not even, it's not got us anywhere on the way to being home.
Half an hour.
It's not got us anywhere on the way home.
Did you see
That's
the
what I'm
cabin? Where we drove loads away, and then the cabin.
Yeah, then we were on the other side of the lock. Did you notice?
Oh yeah, I know what you're on.
Oh yeah, you know what we're on about. Yeah.
Ospreys built nests as big as double beds on Caden's platform.
Right.
Watching them live on the telly, you can just go and see them.
We come to the woods and then stood here watching a telly, have a live feed of it instead. Yeah. Oh yeah, look, Mov, it's your dream come true. Taxidermied red squirrels.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, what are they? No way.
Ospreys with
Oh,
teeth.
I would say that.
Want to go from?
That one's on.
Yeah.
That's in 2017.
This is pretty cool. Look at the size of a grey squirrel compared to a red squirrel. I've never seen one this big though in the garden. Look at the freaking size of it.
Like a cat.
It is, isn't it?
This is not a Joey size.
Yeah. So that was the size of Joey we got him. Now he's a bit fatter. But look at this little thing. Let's give it a... Why not? Oh, they're so soft.
Put everything in your white.
That's true. Well, I'm not going to break a dead squirrel, am I?
You know,
Truth. That's...
that owl's a
that's
bit legless now.
proud of that, yeah. Wow, what a massive wasp nest. That wing looks like they've literally just ripped it off a live owl. There's just an owl out there still without a wing. What that is? Just a little tiny deer. Oh, and that's a big deer, isn't it? Get this view of the wood. I don't know how far of it goes wood like. Oh, Stacy wants a photo in a second. Come on, look at this. It's crazy. Look how many trees there are. There was a sign inside that said they replant 1 million trees a year. That's mad. You want your photo, Stace? Oh, okay. It's beautiful. Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Mum's having a bit of trouble on. She's had one of the mobility scooters from the reception, and these roads are just proper rough, man. She's nearly tipping over. Wow, nice, isn't it? And this is another, I keep saying this about everything, but I reckon all these places look amazing in the summer. I want to come back next summer and just see what everything looks like with leaves.
But like the scenery is nice when you see loads of trees with orange leaves and some green and stuff. It's a nice mix. So I don't know if it'd look better or if this is as nice as we'll see it. It'd be nice with lots of snow on it. Imagine that. Oh my god, there's some wild deer. They're suspiciously still. I suspect they may be made of a plastic resin rather than flesh and meat. Wouldn't it be amazed if it just ran off now? Bit like something from Doctor Who in it, these people. I don't know if you guys can. Yeah, you can see them, can't you? See the mirrored people in the woods?
Can you imagine if they come to life?
Oh, if they moved. They're really weird, aren't they? Yeah. Hi! Something Doctor Who. Did I just say it's like Doctor Who? Oh, that's all marshy.
Look at that bridge.
Loads of little art installations. Oh!
Look at that bridge.
Yeah. That's amazing. You're going to boot it over it on that movie, whack it up to hair, the setting. Is it a hair on this one as well? Isn't it? It's a total and a hair. Yeah. You know, there's Scottish alligators in this swamp, Liz. Look at that. Of course, there. How lovely. Should have brought the painting to do here. Watercolour, isn't it? It'd be amazing, wouldn't it? These scenes are really like something from a film. Maybe Pan's Labyrinth or something. Oh, yo! You found a hammock. Whoa! Is this the waterfall? Oh wow! We're a bit closer to this than we were to the Steel Falls the other day. Yeah. Yeah, just a bit. Can we like climb on it and stuff?
If you want, well.
Yeah, I think I might.
Little climb up the side here.
Yeah, might get close, and then you can maybe step across and get to that bit in the middle.
Oh, I don't know.
Stacy will be doing that for the Instagram. You know what she's like.
It might feel like it might be really slick.
This is crazy, guys. We just had photos. I've told you she's doing a runner because she wants me to get some crazy Instagram shots of her. So let's get nice and go. I'm going to slip, man. These rocks are all covered in moss. And my shoes are old and do not have the grip that I need to be managing this. I don't have the cardio fitness for this. And to be honest, I don't think I have the bone density to manage just fall onto these rocks. Where do you want me? That was the danger shot. I just took some photos, stood on these. I'm going to put the photos in now so you can see it. Look, what are you doing? You getting any closer or are you giving up here? Yeah, not without wetting your tootsies. I reckon if you had wellies you'd do it easy on.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have to worry about wetting your feet. Did you have fun? You still just walk over this bit? Just recording in case you fall. No, she made it. Getting a push, yeah?
No, damn it.
Is it nice?
No, don't.
Oh.
No. You should be dropping this.
We are. Bye, see you later then.
You should get on one. They're nice.
Oh, bet they
They
are.
are.
Go on then, jump off then.
There's one right there. If you believe we got the man on the moon, man on the moon. Okay,
Oh, it's nice. Give me a push, Liz.
Right, hold that for a minute, please.
Oh God, is it going to get serious now? Oh yeah, that's it. Let's go.
How does this work?
I'm trying to swing myself. Hammocking in style now. I don't think you're going to flip me.
Your abs hurting. Oh, that did not sound good. Oh my god, one and snapped off.
This is a good look for me.
Beautiful look. Get on my phone, please.
Stop.
There's someone over there, look at mine.
We found a red squirrel already. Oh, there's a few of them. nice, wasn't it? Did you have fun, Muff?
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
Amazing.
Such a discreet motor scooter, isn't it, that? Glad there's no deer or pine martins to be scared of. Yeah, been sat here for about half an hour just watching everything. Loads of red squirrels, loads of cool birds and stuff. But for the first maybe 15 minutes we were here, there was another couple here. And the guy was constantly taking photos with a flash. And it's just scaring all the birds off. The squirrels weren't bothered, but scaring the birds off. And any deer or pine martins that might have come, we're just definitely getting scared off. But we haven't seen any deer or pine martins at all.
We saw birds.
We did, we saw those, and we kept hearing what we thought was woodpeckers, and then we realised it was just little birds knocking on the plastic on the squirrel feeders. Sounding just like woodpeckers. They were trolling us bad, man. You can actually see these cameras. You can actually watch the live feeds of these online on the website for this place. I'll try and find the link if I can. Because I think that's ace, man. You could just be at home or watching these feed. Can you hear it? Him knocking. Did you hear the knock? That was what we thought was a woodpecker. This is such a nice view in it with the bridge as well. And then the waterfalls up behind it. And it all flows off into a little river or a stream. I don't know what the waterfall's going to. There's got to be a stream in it, I suppose.
Look, I'm just yawning.
It's nice, isn't it, this place? Like Dad said, it's like nicer than the White Forest. The White Forest is still lovely, but it doesn't have things like this. It's mad to think you get views like this in England, isn't it? You always imagine you've got to go somewhere like North America or like Canada or, I don't know, where else, Nepal.
It does look like what I imagine America to look like.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, big massive trees.
the roads as well.
Yeah, and if it was snowy here, this would just be like a wonderland on it. Look at that shot, man, that is beautiful. You're a bit chilly. Not even cold. They're not even cold. Loud is that thing? Why does it need to be that loud? Fun for all the family. We got activities for the children.
Look, it's just that. Oh yeah, these are the things. You don't lift them up, so you let the water out. They have to make up the eye.
You have to make like a path to make the water come out. Yeah. You mastered it, didn't you? Yeah. Wow, look at this. We've got rapids. I love a bit of rapids, Ardo. Get down that on your rubber dinghy. We've stopped in the cafe here. This is the Lodge Cafe in the, I keep forgetting where we are, Queen Elizabeth Forest. And look at this view you get out the window while you're eating.
Look at that view in the front porch.
That's true. Hopefully these pies are going to be nice, it sounds good. That's mad. Might just set up a little time lapse of the, oh yeah, great look if I leave it there. That's what the view would do. Well, okay, there you go. I'm not time lapsing it then, guys, because I haven't got the facilities. We're jealous, we're absolutely starving. Yeah, mash on the bottom, cheese and peas on top. Oh my god.
Like a little troll.
Yeah.
Which one? Goat's cheese?
Nah, the other one. I don't think I like goat's cheese, so I had the one with red wine. Our empty table. I'm so hungry. Look at Liz, she's dying of starvation.
I'm just going to stop letting you choose what I eat now.
Yeah. You think you made the wrong decision going for your, what did you have again? I forget again.
Toasty.
Ooh, that'd be nice. It's not got a pie. Look at the state of these things, man. These are pie. What's yours then? Beef and ale?
Steak and ale.
Steak and ale pie. My mouth's watering. Cheddar. Oh my god, here comes my cheddar on top.
Mashed peas, gravy, cheddar.
Mash on the bottom.
Shallots.
Oh man.
The crispy,
Crispy onions as well, crispy shallots.
Kevin?
Perfect, thank you very much.
And that's your toasty. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Look at that, you've just gone with a little toasty. But you wish you had one of these on your slice, really. What was the verdict? Amazing. 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 That was probably some of the best pies. Yeah. She might have done. Diane, yeah. Diane, if you've been there. I don't know, you should have told us about these pies, they're amazing. I want everybody to know that they can come to this cafe and eat these pies. Because we were talking about where to eat when we were walking around, and I said this cafe is going to be crap. It's probably just going to be the same as any other cafe. And I bet my words very much now, along with a lovely pie. Because those pies are fab. We went with the fully loaded one, which I remember, I can't remember the name of, the Mothership, it's £8.50, yeah? Jesus Christ. Oh, that was so worth it.
Where's my arm?
Should we go now anyway? We're going to start heading back home. So, massive 6-hour drive basically. We're going to stop at Mackey's on the way. First Mackey's I sit and get a coffee and maybe a McFlurry and stuff. And then we just off to see Pabs and Jojo and Jack. So is that the big zip wire? That's the big one? Yeah.
And then you do all the go out. It's on the other side.
Yeah, you can see where it goes up, yeah.
And then when you finish, you get this one back.
That's mad. It's high, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
It's cool.
It looks, yeah, when you're on it, it's higher than it looks now.
Yeah, I can imagine. So this is probably the last bit of Scotland we're going to see. Really enjoy the view, bubs. Is it? Scottish flag on the back of that to say goodbye to. See you later, Scotland. We're literally stopping it, like I said, then I was stopping in for a coffee and that's it. Back to England. Bye, Scotland, it's been amazing. Look at this tree, everything's weird and different. There's Mum and Dad shooting off. Royal waves. Oh, okay. See you soon, guys.
Oh, yeah!
Nope.
No, we're going on the motorway.
Goodbye, Scotland.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Just the colours, man.
Proper mad.
Scotland is an amazing place. I knew that Scotland was going to be really nice, yeah? And there's going to be a lot of beautiful stuff to see. But I didn't think so much of it would be so nice.
Yeah, it's very...
Like everywhere, it's just really nice. Just seeing loads of landscapes that you're like, wow, that's mad. So many nice big trees that you just don't get in the Midlands. I'm sure that we've got things that would envy as well. I don't know what. Nothing springs to mind.
Shops.
Maybe Dudley Zoo.
Cafes.
They've got cafes and shops.
Yeah.
Some nice ones, haven't they? Well, a sight for sore eyes, I suppose. We're excited to... Is that Ben? No way. Ben's just pulled up. It's so weird. We were driving on the motorway and after like 45 minutes, like we were miles apart from each other, we just ended up next to Dad. Don't even know how it happened. And then we ended up going to the same services as Ben. Like we planned that.
Your mum texted us. We're home. How far away are you?
And then now, anyway, we're home. Lucy's gone back. We're going to go in and see Papa's. Do you think he got excited when he saw Mum and Dad?
Yes.
I bet he wheedled a bit.
I don't
know if I've told you guys in the vlog, but this is the longest Mum and Dad and Papa's have all gone on without, you know, while being away from each other.
He's at the door. Come on.
Sorry, hold on. Puppy! Hello, bud. Hello, buddy. Hello. You missed any of us? Have you missed any of us or not? No? No, he hasn't. He doesn't care. Oh, you just missed your mummy. And your dad. Was he excited to see you? Was he? Was he excited? Papas. You had a nice holiday away from us all. Oh, I missed that puppy. Ben's just got back as well.
Oh, you're traumatized.
What a silly cat. He just jumped at this mirror trying to jump like in it. Oh man, I hope he does it again. I don't mean it in a nasty way because he's totally unhurt, but that was funny, man.
Shall I show him?
Show him himself, see what he thinks.
I'll show you. He's probably going to run off and do all.
Oh no, he's had enough of that. See you, bud.
No thanks.